Aloha everybody and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks at beachwalks.tv. Today is show number 72.
And a double like we do, and then
the double can be for conditioning,
right?
And
then
have
they
two
can come
looping
into shore, and then everybody can switch.
Yeah,
and then they can go around, and then we could switch again. So maybe 3 switches would get, or 4 switches would get everybody in a different position.
and we just better do quarter miles at like 70% for the conditioning, just over and over and over and over, because they're about where they need that now anyway.
Yeah.
And when you're being filmed, it's going to be like not as slow as you can go, but not a sprint either. It needs to be fairly steady, maybe what we call 70%. Just so, and concentrating on technique. The reach, the twist, and in case you don't know what the twist is, it's subtle. It's a lumbar. It's just this little twist right here. I mean, we don't have a lot of that movement, but that little bit gets that shoulder down and it gets that arm that much more forward. So if you don't twist, you're missing some of your reach. So that's what the twist is. And then untwist and sit up on the way back.
A practice session with our Lanikai Canoe Club Novice B women. The Novice B is the beginning crew, so these women have only been paddling for about less than a month, about a month. So they're doing great. We came out tonight to cover their stroke technique and help them improve. You can see they've got a ton of energy, and what a fabulously wonderful sport this is. If you'd like to Skype me, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, it's 949-544-1456. Aloha and ahui ho.